Hello, this is a quick review on the Canon 24mm L lens, the 1.4 aperture. It's an EF lens, of course. So lens hood. Alright, first impressions of this lens. This plastic seems quite familiar. This seems like the plastic on like the 50mm 1.4 non-L lens, as well as the 20mm 1.8, I believe, or f2. I'm not sure, but it just does seem like that plastic, and I guess I'm somewhat disappointed because this is an L lens, and I would just maybe expect a little harder plastic. Anyhow, this is weather sealed, however, and let's see how this focuses. And the weight, it's a bit heavier than the 20mm Canon. However, it is a little bit heavier. Yes. Let's see how this focus string feels. It's very smooth. I like it very much. It's a little less resistant than some of the other L lenses, in my opinion. However, it's very smooth. This kind of reminds me of the 70-200 IS 2.8 L lens from Canon. I like this very much. This does not have image stabilization, but it does have USM. Just check the front of this lens. This is the front of the lens, as you can see. Focus in and out. Let's check the mounts, the rear of the camera. I mean the lens, sorry. It is a metal mount. It's very interesting because on some like the 70-200 as well as the 28-300 L lens, there's a small rubber piece around this outer part of the mount that is there, but this one doesn't seem to have it. However, it does have a front element here that protects the lens from moisture and dust, which is always a plus. Overall, this lens doesn't feel very special at all. I'd expect an L lens to feel a lot different. This does feel very similar to the 20mm Canon non-L lens that I was referring to earlier. However, yeah, physically I'm a little disappointed on the actual exterior of the lens. Now we'll do a quick focus and speed shooting test, I guess, how fast this focuses and shoots. And we'll put this at infinity to start. Autofocus is on now. This is on a Canon 40D, by the way. And 3, 2. Very fast. We'll do it one more time. Back to infinity. Autofocus on, and 3, 2. Very fast. Let's take a quick look at the lens hood that is provided with this lens. It's a very nice lens hood, as you expect if you buy a Canon L lens. What I want to point out here is this felt material on the inner part of the lens. This is great because this prevents from any unwanted light from going into your shot. So I think that's a great feature. Other than that, it's a nice lens hood, very sturdy, and